أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وصلى الله على محمد وإطرته الأطهار. السلام على الحسين وعلى علي بن حسين وعلى أولاد الحسين وعلى أصحاب الحسين. السلام على الحسين وعلى علي بن الحسين وعلى أولاد الحسين وعلى أصحاب الحسين. السلام على الحسين وعلى علي بن الحسين وعلى أولاد الحسين وعلى أصحاب الحسين. وقال إمامنا إمام حسين عليه السلام: وإني لم أخرج شرا ولا بطرا ولا مفسدا ولا ظالما، وإنما خرجت لطلب الإصلاح في أمة جدي، أريد أن أأمر بالمعروف ونحي عن المنكر وأسير بسيرة جدي وأبي علي بن أبي طالب سلام الله عليه، فمن قبلني بقبول الحق فالله أولى بالحق، وما رد علي هذا أصبر حتى يقضي الله بيني وبين القوم بالحق وهو خير الحاكمين. Our discussion today center on the reason and the cause of the uprising of Imam Hussein alayhi salam. As earlier said yesterday, why Imam Hussein alayhi salam was trying to put the deen back to where it is before the advent of Muawiya and Yazid. But for those who don't understand the history, or they didn't read about history, they are making mention that the reason why Imam Hussein alayhi salam made the uprising was for his own selfishness. He want the government. He want to be a leader. That is why he decided to fight, because he is feeling that he is being maltreated, not giving him the Khalifat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then these have been the slogan they are using everywhere to convert or to gather people against Imam. They have sent the message from Sham to Karbala, to Iraq, to Medina, many places that if not like that, why other religion of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not fight them, did not come out to fight? Why Islam Hussein want to fight? That everybody just assume and let them continue the government, because they are saying that the government did not belong to Ahad Rasulullah, because it's not a kingdom. It's not a kingdom. But later on, the same people who say that the government is not for Ahlul Bayt, or it's not for family, they begin to live and give to their near relative. So it is happening, and Imam heard about everything they are saying here, there, everywhere. That is why Imam Hussein alayhi salam stood up in public, as in their front, in their army, in front of their army, and is trying to explain to them that whatever you had or your understanding, whatever they tell you, is not true. We were not here. Lam akhruj asharran wala bataran wala mufsidan wala zaliman. What they are saying is not true. That our own is just for our interest to take over the government. or you want to be using the government to oppress you people, or you want to come and destroy the land. They are the one doing so, and we are seeing it. Are we getting this now? Then that the reason why he said وَإِنَّمَا خَرَجْتُ إِنَّمَا, as in for you to understand that Imam alayhi salam, he know what he's saying. Whenever they use sort of words in Arabic, it means it's making hasr. He want to tell you that this is the only reason I came out. No any other thing that mix with it. Our stand here is ikhlas. He said, لِطَلَبِ الْإِصْلَاحِ لِأُمَّةِ جَدِّي. We want to put everything right the way it is before we became in. We have destroyed everything. So we are not here for what? Riyah. We are not here to say that in the family of Abdul Muttalib, we are the most lion, we are the most powerful one. No. What we want to discuss here is that it has become clear that you people are turning what is haram to be halal to the public. Then we can't keep silent. So we have to correct it to show you that haram Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa ali, it will be haram ila yawmuddin. Halaluhu will be halal ila yawmuddin. So you can't say now that everybody is free. Whoever want to drink alcohol, in as far as you are not drinking it at the time of Salah, no problem. Just sit down and relax. Or if you want to take bribe, you are okay. Just decide whatever you want to do. Not only this, they are taking people's blood. They are killing people unnecessarily. They are a issue that doesn't want of killing. They will just ask their security, their soldier, go and kill him. It has happened not even in their time. During the time of Abu Bakr, it's happening. When they attack the community about the zakah, Malik bin Nuwaira, he was the leader of the community. When they saw the beautiful wife he has, they has to declare war immediately to eliminate him, to take over the wife. If you go by their history, go to history of Tabari. Omar tried to fight with Khalid bin Walid. It's Abu Bakr that defending him, tried to hide him away from Omar. Omar said, no, how do you do this? Huh? It has become obvious now that what you did is wrong. You are consummating a marriage without Idda, somebody that you know that they are Muslim. You just misunderstanding within us. You are taking the wife. As in, what do you mean by this? So this is most of the reason we said that what they did in Sakifa was the day they killed Imam Hussein alayhi salam. They started it, they are doing it, and people are passing the evil from generation to generation, from hand to hand as a leader. They did that, and today you now say that Yazid is killing people anyhow. If you are not in support of him, if he asks you for bear, if you do not give your bear, you have to be killed. Are we getting this now? Then Imam Hussein alayhi salam, he said, we don't have any hand in taking the power to myself or coming to oppress you people. And my major intention, my aim was what? To put the deen to the straight path where my grandfather left it. Today everything has returned to something else. وشنو بعد وأريد أن أأمر بالمعروف ونهي عن المنكر. This is another thing that if we want to go back to the Imam Hussein alayhi salam, the jihad, the uprising he made, we have to be doing this. We need to be in a community, be a good servant that you continue to do what? Amr bil ma'ruf wa nahi anil munkar. Are we getting it? That we need to be urging people, tell people to do good. Try to hide your feelings even if it is affecting you. In as far as this will benefit everybody in community. take your own personal interest away and come out to say the truth and command people to do the needful, not for you to think where is going to be my benefit. The way the government of the day are today, everybody are just looking at their own benefit interest. What will be my share? What am I going to achieve in this? And the people in the community, they are not ready to tell them that what you are doing is wrong. Imam Hussein alayhi salam is a kudwa. It's an university we are going to learn from. The repetition there is not by saying we are the lover of Ahlul Bayt. We need to copy them and follow them and act upon their instruction. Imam Hussein alayhi salam said, what I want to do,